make a sage tea today. As always with any of these teas, please ask your doctor if you have any health issues, if you can take them, okay? Sage is incredibly good for you, but if you are prone to seizures, for example, it's probably not a tea you should take. Sage is very high in vitamin K. Vitamin K is the vitamin that clots blood. It also is great for your bones, okay? So off the get-go, good for your bones. It has iron, it has vitamin B6, it has manganese and calcium. Sage also has over 160 polyphenols, which are plant-based antioxidants. So it's very good for your brain, for memory, for your heart. It's good for your liver. It could protect you against some cancers like liver and colon. It's known to reduce menopause symptoms, guys. And it has been used as a support for diabetes because it will level the glucose in your blood. It is also good for fighting bad cholesterol. It can alleviate diarrhea. And because of all the antioxidants, it might prevent your skin from aging. Another good thing about sage, it is an antimicrobial and it is great for oral health. It has been proven that a mouthwash made with sage will kill bacteria in your mouth, so it's good for you that way. You can enjoy this tea any time of the day, but probably shouldn't exceed 6 cups of tea, okay? So we're gonna put some clean leaves into this jug. I'm gonna put 1.5 cups of water on top, boiling water. We're going to cover this and let it steep for at least 5 minutes. If you guys would comment and share this video, I would really appreciate it. Let's taste this. Oh my gosh, that is very pleasant. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see you soon.